Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mdevaan and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a veggie noodle recipe with minced chicken. So please hit the subscribe button and keep watching. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit the subscribe button and then we're going to soak our minced chicken in lots of spices. Once our minced chicken is cooked through and tender, we're going to add chili peppers. Now you can skip this part if you don't like pepper. If you're shouting ha at the pepper I'm cutting, please skip this part and then put in some peppers, put in some onions and get your noodles ready. So I'm going to throw in our veggies in rapid succession because our noodles are done. I'm starting with the spring onions, and once I fold that in, I'll go in with celery. Once I fold that in, I'll go in with the parsley and mix everything together. Thank you for watching. My name is Mdevaan. Please hit the subscribe button, please share my video, and please leave a comment in the comment section if you like this recipe, if you're going to try it, and how you make your own veggie noodle. Thank you so much for watching.